So we're going to split you in whatever size groups you want, 2s, 3s or 4s, into 15-metre sections. The original line, as if I walk down here, are these, you know, massive great stumps, which, as I say, all these will regrow. So in the next section, there's quite a lot of the old stumps. I can almost count these as my hawthorn plants. They're going to come up anyway. And so it's going to be a staggered 5 plants a metre, just like that. It's just over, I'm a size 10, it's just over a foot apart, I suppose, really, isn't it? And then you can either, if you're strong enough just to throw in your spade, or if you don't want to do that, just place it and put your foot on it. Bit of a wiggle and jiggle. And I'm just going to rock that backwards and forwards. This is called slit planting. Get my plant, so you don't want any of these little roots above ground. It's not halfway up the stem. It is literally just about, you know, a centimetre above where the roots start coming out. That's ground level. Just sideways wipe it down. Just tuck in the little fibrous roots. These little fibrous roots have all got to be underground. Because we've rocked our spade backwards and forwards, we've actually created a bit of a wedge shape under the ground. And I want to make sure that's filled in, because that could sort of hold water and then freeze. So what I do is come in from this side and just give it a little push back in. And that side, give that a little push back in. Then I'm just going to either push my plant down a little bit or pull it up, in this case, to there. And then I'm holding it so it doesn't go in deeper. And then I come in and put my weight. Look, I'm right over the plant now. Look, can you see what I'm doing? I'm vertically over the plant. I'm holding that height, that depth. And then just as a little test, just give it a nice little, just a little tug. That's absolutely fine. Okay. Now, because I'm spreading my thorn out, I'm just marking. See what I'm doing? I'm going there, there. Okay, the next one's going to be there. So we've planted our plants. So we take one of these canes, these bamboo canes, the thick end in the ground, and I just put it down the side of the plant, you know, maybe an inch away. Just push it in. That's gone in really easy, about maybe 1/3 of its depth. And then wrapping a protective spiral around each plant. There is quite a lot of rabbits out here, as a matter of fact. The idea being that these stop the rabbits eating the bottom of the trees, but as they grow, the whole thing can expand as the tree gets larger. If you get a very, very branchy plant, you don't have to necessarily squidge that up. It's perfectly all right to sort of go around just above that and leave that out. It's got 2 chances. If the rabbits nibble it off, then they do, but it's not killing the main plant. But it just seems to me a shame to constrain everything in rabbit guards. So if you've got a big side branch, just allow it to pop out. We'll learn as we go along.